1, 2, 3. Hi guys, I'm Issa and welcome to Bayhana, the show where we talk about anything and everything for women, but not just for women because you know, knowledge is power. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Did you know that breast cancer is the most common type of cancer among women and it is the second most common type of cancer overall? I know that cancer is scary, but you know what, girls? Prevention is honestly better than cure. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to conduct a self-breast examination at home. But I'm not alone. Here are my doctor friends, Irene and Thea. Ta-da! These are actual doctors. It may not look like it, but guys, they graduated. By the grace of God. We are going to be performing a self-breast examination. They're going to guide me through the step-by-step process. But before that, here are some things that you need to know before performing the exam. Take it away, doctoras.
Now, when is the right time to perform a breast exam?
With the research, you're supposed to perform your self-breast examination a week after your period.
Usually, you can do it within 2 to 3 days during your menstruation or after.
Ano man?
Kaya usually, before ka dugon ba?
Yeah.
Like your breasts kay tender bitaw sila. And that's because of your hormones fluctuating. For some also, before their menstruation, they can feel ka ng mga lumps.
Okay,
Like,
yeah.
naagid siya mga magbukol-bukol. Like I said, that's because of your hormones fluctuating.
What does
So
a bukol feel like? Murag bugas
It
na
actually
gamay
depends on the
inside.
consistency. It's not the same for a lot of people.
How often do you do a self-breast examination?
Like at least once a month.
If you do it consistently every month, then you can be like, this wasn't here last month, right? So you don't just do this in October, guys. You do it every single month. How young should you start doing self-breast examination?
Yan, anak kay buot.
Ah, okay. As early as you get boobs?
Yeah, as early as
What's up with early na mukul?
Okay, wala pa ko na
Galit naman eh! How did this happen?
Maghubo ko or mag-bra or magsitas?
Maghubo ka, we. Okay, before you actually touch yourself, you have to
look at it.
You have to look at it.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is inspect the breast. So what I'm doing right now is I'm wearing a top, but I will be pulling it down later, and the doctors will be checking them.
It would be advisable if you were standing up. Pwede sa nalikod ka. Put your hands on your hips, on your waist. And then, you just check for any skin discoloration.
So kung buo ng top ron?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
check!
Uy, gamay gini.
Uy, bata ng lock. So I have to look for like any dimpling. Is this normal?
Yes, that's
These are the
Montgomery
Montgomery gland.
tubercles. Check the nipples.
Is it normal for nipples to be inverted? For
Some
right?
people, but for some people na hindi siya inverted at first and then suddenly kuan siya invert siya, then you need to investigate further. Yeah.
Which is why, important you can, kailagin kasi one. So after you've done your inspection, you can do already your palpation.
Sige.
And there are 3 methods actually which you can do. So you can do this while you're lying down.
Okay.
For myself, ganahan ko sa shower guys. It just slippery siya.
lubricated yung
Yeah,
hand.
mas makafeel ka
Self-breast
sa
man sa isa.
kanang texture gid bitaw.
Yeah.
But it depends on your preference, Jud.
You want to examine your left breast. So
Okay.
you raise your left arm.
Ako nag-share. Bahala mo dito, Amy.
You're in the shower.
Tanawa na lang daan. Desensitize ko.
Raise your left arm. Put it over your head first.
Yeah. Okay.
Using your 3 fingers here.
The pads.
From your nipples going outside.
So,
And then just do like mura ni mo ka ng circles na
Circular lang dyan
Circular
siya.
lang siya.
Like,
Like, para ma-feel ni
na
mo.
nag-move ka.
yeah.
In a
I
circular
feel
path.
balls.
And hindi mo siguro ng nipple.
It kind of feels like gland.
Yeah.
Lumpy.
Yeah.
Nga daghan. Nga
Yes.
mapupul ka na siya. Those are
Oh.
just your glands.
Yeah, more siya like kanaging ball series.
Yeah,
like
kanas.
this. More siya yung anas.
So you have to cover your entire breast here. Or put gid mo siya sa imong armpits.
Ana.
Yeah.
Ana.
Up pagid sa imong armpits. Usahay mong good. Dira ni mo ma-feel ang mga lumps. And once you're done, you can do it the same thing sa other. So you can do it the vertical strip wherein you start here sa may sternum.
Yeah.
Here, you dapat sa imong clavicle dapit.
Here.
It's the sternum here.
Okay.
And then just going down.
Or siya
Same
ladder.
hapon ata yeah.
But circle good. Can you try touching it? Like, please touch my breast.
This is not ideal.
Kinauboy ni natong pinuhatan. Dili siya ka ng kuan jud.
I'm just lucky to have doctors in my
Dili
house
siya
right now.
clinical setting.
Dili siya
Yeah.
clinical setting jud, dili siya kuan kayo.
This boob, your right boob.
Sige.
Put your arm again over your head.
Okay. Ito na akong buksi. Am I fine?
You're fine.
Yes, thank God.
And by the way, if you've noticed that your boob is the same shape,
Yeah.
like the other one is bigger
That's
than the other
normal
one.
though, right?
That's very normal. And then iabot na din ako siya sa iyo.
Abot na kasi kung buhok sa ilok.
Buhok
Day!
sa ilok. Ako siya, lock na lang. Rin, asa na ba itong puller?
I'm safe! So mo na to, inga na ang self-breast
Oh,
exam.
hinaan na siya.
So I'm done with my self-breast exam. If I feel something, then I should definitely get a check.
You check it again, do a self-breast exam again after, say, 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you don't have to freak
Yeah.
out the
But you can
first
freak
moment.
out.
Oh my God, I have a
I'm
question though.
freaking
So sometimes ako Montgomery gland ba? Like I would press it, na
Dahil
hindi
mong
gawas.
gawas.
Yeah, is that normal?
Yeah, it's normal.
Okay, thank God.
Pero it depends if
It's just white.
Kinda white
It's just
dye.
white.
Here
It's
and
like
here, yeah.
it doesn't feel like pus. It's just like like a white head.
But just take note if it's smelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's
weird,
bloody.
weird ang color. And then, kanang, katulad what she said, bloody also.
Yeah.
Kana,
What are the most common things that women ask whenever they have their boobs checked?
Hindi ko tutoy.
So what did you think about my boobs, ladies?
Dok, mas dapat kung tutoy sa iyo muna.
Oh my gosh!
di mo tanay sila halado ka ng pink kag nipples.
Pero bito, tinuod like some women have pinker areolas.
Yeah.
Kung mistisa ka, puti yung ka tutoy, pero kung... Pareho na ko, guys!
Pag ang sanin ka rin ba?
Mura siya black hole! If I find something wrong with my body, where do I go?
If you have a family doctor, if you have like a general practitioner,
Yeah.
kailagin mo.
Someone you're comfortable with,
ka.
yeah.
Yeah, but you can also go to a surgeon actually.
So it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. If you're 40 years old and above, then you can go get a mammography. If there's a free one that I will find online, I will put it here or in the comment section or in the description box below. But please do check out your boobs. I think that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
So if you have any questions about how to conduct a self-breast examination other than what we taught you, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and we will be there to help you with your questions.
Because
So,
sa
yeah.
mga gagmay o boobs, kaya pag-check-check sa mga
Bito.
We don't. Breast cancer doesn't discriminate.
Exactly. There are some guys nga magka-cancer gyapon sa boobs.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask. Do guys get breast cancer?
Yes, they do. Pero gamay sila.
Oh.
Gamay
Small
chances.
percentage lang.
Pero mas grabe ka kanila, mas grabe ka lala.
So I hope that you like this video of Bayhana. If you want to keep the discussions rolling, feel free to join the Bayhana community group here on Facebook. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's have discussions, guys, because healthy discussions are welcome discussions. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I am Issaplease, and don't forget to follow By TV as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!